I greet you now, all my 3D people from around the world. My name now Uchenna Okia, aka Busaman, 3D generalist and tutor for how them they do tutorials. So a few days ago, I don't tell, like, normally keyframing animation are one of the issues of the animation industry. So you know, like say easy that you could do keyframe or motion capture. Keyframe no be joke. You have to understand a lot of things to do them, and even if you understand them, it's not easy to do. And for a small studio, you know, easy to tell stories keyframing because you know it takes a lot of time. You know if you do everything. But motion capture too, they one corner, but the suits they're expensive. But luckily over the years, we don't get some amazing solutions in between, from Rococo suits to local motion libraries online to now one of the most popular ones of them now Mixamo. Now Mixamo na online motion platform. How it concern us, right? Before we know everybody know about this platform, but why it's important now be say they don't make plugin now. Maybe Mixamo don't make plugin where you fit download and install inside Blender. We go help you bring motions now, or your character will rig for Mixamo, the platform online, into Blender and automatically convert them into Blender rig. Also a story, more just do them, you know. We now on a story, so we could just get into the matter, right? So straightforward, we just enter the whole thing. I would say browse characters. So browse characters or animations. Either one, to get characters, then get animation bots. We go like bring our own character in if you know like waiting there for here. So I like to use Sketchfab. So this tutorial will involve 3 amazing free platforms: Blender na one, Sketchfab na another one, and Mixamo. What they look so Sketchfab now for, so we go bring in this character. This character we go bring them in. Now we go use now free character way one guy create online. I go put all the link for the description of the tutorial video. This one we go use. I like him because I'm a wrestler and I want to do some fighting moves for him here, right? And then this other one now, we go bring them, we go download them into, we go upload them into Mixamo. I don't already upload them before. You should actually this tutorial now and I redo and re-record them because I don't like the first one what I do. So we go upload them, we can see. To upload them, go upload them like this. Come here. You go where they for this folder. But I don't mind the dog with the back. So record them, open them, we choose an OBJ file, then go record them, open them. So make it upload. You go take your time upload. So this upload speed depends on your internet. Normally they fast, but depending if you slow past like this, check your internet, something they wrong. Normally it just with my internet, I use just normal regular MTN, just normal internet, you know, for Nigeria, and they move like this. And the file too not too big, you know. So maybe all those one contribute. So no go upload 1 gig character file, especially go fast. If you know fast. So mind the size of the character we upload to the platform too. It's important. And the polygon count, you know, all those things. You wanna know all those one based on animation. You know if they animate within the polygon too crazy, you know. So you don't finish, you finalize. You finalize. So yeah, so you don't do finish. So all this, I got to go through all this process just to finish, you know. Then when you finish, you can show the character for here, and you go down rig them. Now you know, so we don't do rigging tutorial before. That rigging tutorial when I say assist, you know be my mind. But this platform now, I don't know, after back of 2017 or 2018, it a rig character for you in 2 minutes. You know what that mean? Say AI go rig them for you. Web platform will rig character for you. Before, like in the 90s when we started this thing, we don't think like, but it happened now, and we're grateful because it will take away a lot of, we know, say for Nigeria, like I think of Nigeria context right now, even for globally, you know, easy money for animation, not easy. They take money to build team, for people to sit down work on these things. So when you see somebody, when you see person way, and you see platform we could do for you, it's supposed, you know, in a big deal, you understand? So, and this is free. You know, you pay 1 naira, you just need to just log in and get access to the platform. So yeah, you don't finish now. You not finish. You don't pass that stage. You don't bring them in for you. Right now, I rig them. You don't bring them in for you. So you go check them if you like them based on this. Just normally they fine. You move to the next. Because the equals now here you go take place the markers so the AI go take rig your character for you. Place one for the chin. Because if they use symmetry, leave them as like settings do okay. It asks you for the skeleton standard, which get fingers and everything. We want to make get fingers, so it's okay. So takes one to the wrist because if they mirror symmetry they on go show they do two of them at the same time, which is very important. You give them for symmetry. The wrist, the elbows, and the shake. Okay, elbow and the knees and the groin. Once you don't pick it down like this now, the next thing na to move and go up, you know, to what I see by say I need to this. Yeah. And next, so the next time. Now I go through again. Time go under 2 minutes to rig. Take up to 2 minutes to rig. Bro, even if you take up to 5 minutes, it means the AI they rig for you. Or more. We don't come a long way, and I feel like this is something. I'm glad to see something like this. You know, easy. So we don't come a long way, and I'm so happy to see something like this. Although I don't say it don't come out since, I still appreciate them anytime I see them because I know the amount of work we take off our head. So if you just start 3D and you know anything about rigging or you don't like rigging, because not everybody can know everything. It takes a while to get everything for 3D. I ran for rigging for a long time before I finally decided to face them. Some people are sculptors, some people are animators, some people know are riggers. So if you know the rigging person, this platform is there for you to help you. Okay, you don't rig them, you don't bring them in, you can start the test and they show us say everything they work fine. They show us everything they work fine. So testing everything they okay. Some issues there, but more na AI rig them for us, we don't get any complaint. It's like you don't understand, so we go manage it like that. Let's go for the aim of this tutorial just to show you guys how to string, how we take the string. The aim of this tutorial is to show now how we take use this stuff to create motion, combo, animation links, you know. Yeah. Next. So what's the next time now you go come stage here. Normally before, all we go do is we just go to animation, you go choose one animation, add them to RAM, download them for game, you don't do okay. There was no way for us to combine motion on this platform on Mixamo here on this web platform. So either I go download one, come go they find way to link I don't try but I don't necessarily use them for animation because it was too difficult. It was confusing at that time. I don't understand how I would break them to pieces. And most I use and do mostly games. But now I don't do animation. Now they don't make the plugin now. You don't change them. Because now if we combine this with Blender non-linear editor, we can do a lot of damage. You know, like we tell some cool stories, you know, we could be proud of, even if you don't know animation, if you be small team, like I said, mostly for small teams or single creators who won't just tell quick stories or do small animation. This pattern, this style, this mode of work will favor you a lot, you know. So yeah. Now we're done. So we not go download, we not go put any motion to them because we want first get the character. We first get the character. I'm going to get them. Now we no get text, no the texture. So we got to take them back to Blender to texture them. So we download them as it did. For T-pose, yes, download. So you go download, you go take your time download. So I don't do all these things before, you know. So it's only download now. Now we go Blender now to go bring them in. So we don't open. I don't put my Blender. My Blender, I use Blender 3.12 still. And now go 3.2. I don't know why. I just wait. But Blender will change after this tutorial, but you know I just wait. I don't know why. So yeah, now we'll start new project. Delete this cube. We don't need them, you know. And then now we go come do something like now we're going to import them in now because an FBX file we'll go import FBX, we'll go the place where the thing there. I see one for this folder here, ready wrestler here. So I go import them in, go load, yeah, it don't come in. So Sam now we don't get the guy inside here now. So this is the character, he don't be now, he don't be here now. So now I go show you the plugin now. So this is the plugin, Mixamo. Sam here. The plugin be this. So the plugin they do a few things. First of all, they help you retarget animation to any Mixamo rig, and you go only retarget them only when you don't create the control rig with the same plugin. So we go do all that now. But for the first things first, this character we got to put the texture back, because if you remember when I show now for the sketch file, as it looks. So I won't put the texture back. I'll put texture back. And if you want to get the plugin, like I said, if you want to see the plugin and here the day and that for the website, I will put this link for the video. You know, the plugin, so you can just download and click here, go download them, and then you go install for your Blender. You know, yeah. So if you want that to install plugin, I go show now. You know, to install and if you want to install the plugin. So we minimize. If you want to install the plugin, we go come here. Sorry, no. We'll first put the texture like we talk. Put texture. So texture now, click here. Simple. Click on the materials. Click on the mesh first. Click on the materials. Create new material, and then we go come here for the. Go give me just color, you know, color for the air. So we'll go for the color. We'll click on this place, on this dot here, to go change to use image texture. That image texture now. Click on change the image texture. It goes black. No problem. Everything they fine. You know, spoil. You know, burn. Go to that place again. Click on open. You go look for the texture where we save them. So see the wrestling, see here, see the textures, see up here the albedo, the diffuse texture, and just like that, texture done there already for the body. Okay. For the eyes, we just do it like that. So we just put material and then we go. I just want to give them like make it shine, make it glow. Make it like mysterious wrestler, you know. So yeah, okay, come this place. Okay, see yeah, increase I want increase them to emissions. Okay, yeah, so I'm looking like this. So we'll go back to this place here. So now we don't do it to supposed to now to enter using the plugin. But first, in case I don't install my own, but if you don't install the plugin, you download them to install them. You go here, come to edit, click on preferences, and then you go click on install. Then you go find and go wherever you save them. I know you did for somewhere. You go find and go where you save them. You go if you download them, you go find and go where you save them, and then you go download them. And once you click on them, you go now zip file. You go install them as a zip as a day. You know, go unzip them. Click on it, install add-on. You can just add. So me, I don't install my own. I don't need to install them again. I'm showing on my own. You did already. So see my own. Now the version within 1.11.10. So I don't install my own. I don't need to install them. And if you want update them, the plugin get update here. So if you hear if to say update there, we check whether update there. But no updates don't come out. So here no show. So let's get to the main thing now. Main thing now we say we want make we fit bring motion into this place. So now we bring we don't get any motion for Mixamo. Now guys go back to Mixamo, go download the motions. Even though we don't need the Mixamo this one again, we need this same character. So when we put the motions, we will know what thing we define. So we'll come in here, we'll type fight. You get some motions where I download, where I use for them. So, but I will just show an example how they do them. So I go, once I choose this one. So if you choose this one, once you click on it, normal, we know all this thing. If you click on like this now, it will take a while. You go load them on the character. So you see them now. So you don't know the character now. Now the motion on there now. Now normally only the motion we just get before, but now we can go ahead. So if we download one motion at a time. So once we go click download, it will show us this thing. Because we want just the motion, we don't download the character already. To download the motion alone, we just come here. We download the motion now without skin. So of course, just the motion we want, just the bone of the motion, and then we go click download. We click download now. you go download and sharp because it's very light, you understand? Yeah, you don't download and finish already. Download and finish already. So see, I'm here, fighting idle. So if I will minimize, and then we'll come here, click on this. Now, first we'll click on them, but before we do them, we could just come here. So we could bring in the motion. We just done motion, we'll bring them in, right? Click here. Now still FBX to import. So we'll go import. We go click import the FBX. Go fighting idle. See, I'm here. Come here so that the bone will scatter. Click on automatic bone orientation. So sometimes the bone will come in, the bone no go gas, it go be no go make sense. So just if you arrange the bone properly to make it make sure they come in properly. Or say import FBX. Now see the bone not coming. See the bone for here. You can separate them. So see them. So right now if we place motion like this now, so then they play. You know they for the character body, right? Now one makes motion they this character body. One put on this character body. Okay? So what you go do now we say go come here, go click on the source skeleton. Because that's gonna be the source of the animation. Click on this, we'll click on and select them. You don't do here and then amateur 001. Now be this now. Now if we come here, click on this one now. We're supposed to say apply animation, but because we never create the control rig, it no go show. You understand? So watch here now. Watch here now once I convert them. So while we click on this, we'll come here, go to create control rig. Click on them. No animation, no animation there, so we'll look apply. So just want only this to say okay. Don't say okay, you go create this rig for us. Don't create control rig for us. Don't hide that bone. Now, if you notice something don't change for here now, this apply animation on the on because of this source animation they here. You don't apply this one now, so you don't do it right now. So if we click apply, it will take a while. You will do some things. Yeah, you don't apply it now. You see? So now, if I play the animation, so they don't get the animation now. We don't move this animation, come the body of this character. You understand? So now we could just go ahead, add now. The difference is we say what's the difference, Abi? Why we take this long journey? Because by long journey we say different we say now we fit combine more than one motion on this one character. I'll show now. The key we say now we can go something called the NLA editor, non-linear editor. Come here, go say I'm non-linear animation editor. So once you come in like this now, this one and this bone now, we don't take one for body, we don't need them again, so go delete them. Now only this one now is skeleton in there. And be this one there, so action 002. We convert them now, click on this, convert them to bar. Now the motion there, but now. This non-linear editor now means if we go, if we cut this motion, if we move around, we don't move and come here now. So right now we don't move on, we don't day. If we go back to the timeline, you go see say it empty, nothing there here again. You don't make them vacant for us to bring in another animation again. So if we go back to Mixamo, we'll look for something else again. We'll look for combo. That's a combo. Now we take this, we'll take this one. This one right now, this one now, we'll download and do the same thing without skin. Because only the motion we want now. Download down. We download. Don't download now. Because it's very light. Now, if we go back to Blender and we go import them, we got to import them in. We go import them again. Import FBX. We import that elbow uppercut combo. This one day already. We don't import them for a day. Automatic bone orientation. Bring them in. Same thing. Move on to the side. Come here. Come on, this one we did before. Click this one. We don't put new one. We don't come in. Click on this rig. Apply. No, first of all, I go zero them out. I want zero them out the rig out. So I go sure say nothing there on top. Zero them out, and then we go apply the animation. Now new animation not add. Now new animation now. That new one we'll see that I not add now. Now different now. So we combine them with that one we did before. So we could go back here. We could delete some of them again. Or more first go back to the linear edit, the non-linear NLA editor. We'll come here now, we'll see and say this one will select, so we don't want that this one, we'll delete them. So now this new one NDS, so this one click on them. Then this one with so action 005. So come here, push them down. They come and push down action. Press push down. Now don't get 2 bars now. If we move this one like this, go front now. And we'll place animation now. Once you get to the next one, you go change to the new one. So now, so you go continuously. Now I don't download all the other motions. Now we just go add them now. So we'll go back to the. We'll come here. Might import the other ones. Might import the other motion. Import this. Import FBX. Sorry, FBX. The other motion. So go import this one. Knee jabs to uppercut. Import them in. Save the here. We'll come this side. We go come out something for you. So pick this new one. Select our amateur to get this one. Zero them out. Add the new animation. Now you don't add now, you don't add the new animation now. You notice new animation on there. So now we go come out this one, we'll do this one, no them again. Delete them. Select our rig. See, and the new one we add now action 008. We go push them down to push down, and then we'll come here, drag and go front. Oh, sorry. Okay, done. Push and go front. So now, so we go just the drum continuously go. So if you notice now, we don't put 3 motion now. So if you notice, you go first, you go do idle, then you go change to the other one. Combo. Attack, then you go change to the other one. This one. Do the move, attack him, then boom. So if you notice now, like you see all the move we make now. So now I want to extend the timeline because I want to put one last one. So now I go back to the timeline. Probably extend this thing to like I must say 500. I'm not going to use everything, just a guess, you know. And then we'll put the last one. Go import the last one now flying attack. So import FBX, last one flying knee punch. Import and come inside on the here. Go and come this side, and then come out this one, pick arm as the animation, select your rig, zero out the rig, and then apply animation. You'll go through a while. Yeah, you don't do now. So if you plan now, the new one go jump. So we'll go the NLA editor, we'll go add them to the list. NLA, see and with this. We'll first delete this one, delete then him now. We'll go push down. So now the 4th one in behind be the 4th one, and we go. I just forget say he did with the other one, so I need to make new sorry, add track. So I don't add one more new track now because this one won't go up, you understand? So they make them be like editing, they turn out to like editing something, you understand? So they make them make sense, you understand? Because normal, if you want to do keyframe this, you go mental, you understand? But the NLA editor, you go make it a lot easier, make a better editing the edit, you know. So now, if we check the animation now, if we play that full and more play now, what we don't do so far. So we jump around. Yeah, the combo uppercut. Next thing, you change to this one. It will grab you, knee you, you know, knee you, push you aside, go uppercut. So as guy fly go, Baba go jump, follow am, bend down. Yeah, basha. So now the thing be that too. So now the pattern. Just imagine now. So we don't use free. Everything we use are free. That's how we combine Mixamo, all of them just to create this fighting sequence. So it be like say wiki frame, do plenty work, you know. So yeah, this thing big game changing because I don't see them since when it come out, but I don't get time check. And just occurred to me say, oh, this is something we dey play with too. And I go and try tell one short story animation just to prove how powerful it is. And it be just tutorial means if you actually can do tell story people go feel. But this is just it though. I don't cut soap for now. I'm gonna just try maximize the use them. Try to wait if you make with them because everything free. Wait you get to lose than to just learn. If you make mistake, you will learn. So I thank you. I'm gonna try subscribe. I'm gonna try give me feedback. Let me know how the tutorial go. If I like them, if it's too long, if it's too short, or if I need to see something more, let us know. Yeah. So thank you very much. Peace, man.